What's up guys, welcome back to my channel Super Wow Style. This is Prachi. Now a lot of you have been asking me about sunscreen, so that's what we're going to be talking about in today's video. Of late I've actually been using sunscreens from this brand Sunscoop, and these are my two absolute favorites. Let me show them to you up close. First we have the Sunscoop Hydrating Cream Sunscreen, and then we have the Sunscoop Oil Control Gel Sunscreen. Now before we move ahead and I review these products for you guys, let's get down to basics. Now when it comes to sun protection, we all know that it is extremely crucial. That's the whole reason why you're even on this video looking for a sunscreen, right? But did you know that excessive sun exposure can actually cause irreversible damage to your skin? Excessive sun exposure can also cause premature skin aging. So a lot of people are wondering about SPF and PA. So let me just talk about that. Whenever you're buying a sunscreen, make sure it has SPF 50. More than this is not required. Less than this is not effective enough. So SPF 50 is the ideal number to go for. And when it comes to PA, now PA is a very important component that a lot of people tend to miss out on, but especially for us Indians, it's very crucial. Okay, so your sunscreen should definitely have PA with 3 plus size. 4 plus size is obviously even better, so I try to look for that. Now when we talk about these two sunscreens from Sunscoop, they actually both have SPF 50 with PA and 4 plus size, which is why I love them so much. They're also dermatologically tested, paraben free, sulfate free, and cruelty free. So yes, they literally tick all the right boxes. So let me talk about these sunscreens one by one, starting with the Sunscoop Hydrating Cream Sunscreen. Now this one has been such an amazing discovery for when my skin is feeling dry, dehydrated, and I also need to wear a sunscreen. This is my go-to product. I love that this formulation contains hyaluronic acid that actually keeps my skin supple and hydrated. It also is enriched with vitamin B5, which promotes collagen production and helps in reducing fine lines and enhancing skin elasticity, and pineapple extract to combat sun damage. The formulation is lightweight, non-sticky, non-greasy. It feels weightless on the skin with no white cast. Now that is saying a lot because the market is filled with sunscreens that actually give you so much of white cast, whereas in this case there is no white cast. It actually sits very comfortably on my skin. As for sun protection itself, like I just told you, it contains SPF 50 with PA and 4 plus size. In fact, it actually shields the skin from 98% UVB rays and maximum UVA rays. Lately I have been wearing this sunscreen a lot, especially when I want to layer up with my makeup. Since it feels so easy on the skin, so natural, it's very wearable with my foundations, with my blush, without feeling like I'm wearing too much. It does not feel heavy and it does the job just right. Now moving to the next sunscreen, which is the Sunscoop Oil Control Gel Sunscreen. Now this particular sunscreen is great for when my skin is feeling oily, sticky, greasy. On those days you want your skincare formulas to feel light and also take care of all that extra stickiness. Now this formulation again is extremely lightweight, non-sticky, non-greasy. It feels weightless on the skin and gives no white cast. I love how it delivers a matte finish that controls excess oil throughout the day. Now this sunscreen contains salicylic acid. It's also enriched with vitamin E, vitamin B5, grapefruit extract that helps unclog the pores, deal with inflammation and promote clearer complexion. That makes it perfect for even those with sensitive skin or acne prone skin. It shields against harmful UV radiation and photo aging while controlling excess oil. It gives complete sun protection with benefits for the skin. How perfect is that? Now this sunscreen in particular is my go-to sunscreen when I want to step out for my run. So I don't want all the heat and the sweat to make my skin feel uneasy, greasy, sticky. Nobody wants that, right? This sunscreen is a perfect formulation. With its matted texture, it has been such a lifesaver. Now let me tell you a little bit about some do's and don'ts of wearing a sunscreen. First things first, whenever you're trying out anything new, like I always say, do a patch test is the number one beauty rule. Do not ignore this. Number two, apply your sunscreen 15 to 30 minutes before stepping out. Alright? A very common question I get on my page is, Prachi, how do I layer sunscreen with my makeup? Where does sunscreen go? Sunscreen goes just before you start doing your makeup, just before your foundation. So you apply your sunscreen and then you can go ahead, use your foundation, your concealer, and the rest of your makeup can go from there. A very common mistake that people make is when they're applying sunscreen, they focus on their face, they focus on their neck, but they forget about the shoulders, the arms, legs. Ideally, you should be applying sunscreen on all exposed parts of your body. And very important, reapply your sunscreen every 2 hours. This is very crucial. So yes guys, off late I have been using these two sunscreens very obsessively. Summers are here and ideally you should actually be using your sunscreens throughout the year, right? So I use these sunscreens depending on whether my skin is feeling dry or oily, and yes, your skin can actually change. It can change when you're traveling, it can change with season, with weather, with humidity levels, with age. There's so many factors that can actually contribute to whether your skin is feeling dry or oily. So I love keeping these two handy and I would highly recommend that you check them out too, because sun protection is important. I'll put the links down in the description box below for these Sunscoop sunscreens. Sunscoop actually has a bunch of other sunscreen options. I know that there's a spray sunscreen and there's actually a lot of options, so you can check those out. I'll put the links and the details down in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.